You got a problem, don't care what it is. You need a hand, I can assure